Bald looks good on you. Keep it that way with our 3-step head shaving routine. Manscaped Power Shave Gel, the Dome Shaver Plus, and Dome Soother are all you need to get your head right. Apply our gentle, ultra-soothing shave gel for a close, comfortable shave. Power Shave Gel is infused with performance-based ingredients to help protect your scalp, reduce nicks and cuts, and give you that smooth glide you're looking for. With ultra-thin stainless steel blade guards and 4 independent floating blade heads, the Dome Shaver Plus is your go-to tool in the fight against hair. Move in gentle, circular motions to get yourself back to bald comfortably. And Flexadjust technology ensures each blade stays in close contact with your scalp. When you're satisfied, wipe off the excess gel and start your soothe. Calm your post-shave scalp with cooling ingredients that help reduce irritation. Dome Soother dries clear and provides all-day hydration to keep you feeling as good as you look. Grab life by the bald. The Manscaped head care routine with the Dome Shaver Plus.